guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shashank Kumar and you're watching Rider Radio Station. So in this video we have the Royal Enfield Beauty, that is Meteor 350. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So let's start with the front section. You get 100/90 CA tubeless tires, telescopic suspension and a headlight with a halogen bulb. It would be better if they offered LED, but this headlight looked gorgeous with this DRL. You get turn indicators also in halogen bulbs, and in this bike you get a hazard light preset, so that means you don't need to install any aftermarket accessory for hazard light. In this you get 41 mm telescopic suspension with 130 mm travel, and in front you get 300 mm disc with ABS. Yeah guys, this bike offers dual channel ABS. This is how the dashboard looks from the pilot angle. So here is the key guys, this is how it looks. So let's insert it and launch the bike. So this is a combination of analog and digital speedometer. It have an analog speedometer, digital console in the between, and a TFT screen which shows turn button navigation. So this is the button guys which we use to toggle between the menu. So let me show you. We have an odometer, trip A and trip B and trip F. Here is the gear position indicator and clock, and this is the fuel gauge guys. And here you get all the warning lights, and this is the TFT screen. Yeah guys, this is the first Royal Enfield which comes with a mobile connectivity. Switches are also very interesting on this bike. These are new in the market and I have never seen switches like this. On the right hand side you get a kill switch integrated with the self starter and a hazard light button. And on the right hand side you get a high beam, low beam and pass, horn, turn indicators. So now it's time to hear the exhaust note of this bike. Let's switch on this bike. So guys, in this bike you get a 15-liter fuel tank, and the cap in this bike is not like the Continental GT or Interceptor. It stays there, it won't come to your hand. That's good. So the overall bike looks like this, and the seats are really comfortable, and you get even backrest for the pillion. So this is how the bike looks from the back, and the tail light also have this angel light kind of thing which looks gorgeous. In the rear you get 140/90 section tire. This time you're getting a wider tire. So this is a 349cc engine, single cylinder, 22.2 bhp at 6100 rpm, and which produces 27 Nm torque at 4000 rpm. And electrical fuel injection. So this bike is fuel injected and air cooled. You get 19-inch alloys in this bike which looks really awesome. Small details are really taken care. You get Royal Enfield written on the foot pegs, and the stand is also of good quality which can hold a lot of luggage and heavy weight of this bike. This bike weighs 184 kilos. So this is the Fireball edition of this bike, which looks much more closer to the successor, which is Thunderbird 350X. Though not much changes in the variants, like you won't get that pillion backrest in this, and a few parts like silencer, brake levers, mirrors are in black color. Other than that, everything remains the same. The brake levers are really smooth, and even the clutch is very smooth. This was a detailed walk around of this Royal Enfield Meteor 350. So let me know in the comment section what do you like about this bike, and I really want to thank SVR Royal Enfield Kompally for giving me the opportunity to review this bike. And even I even want to thank my friend Sahil for helping me in shooting the video. And if you want to buy this bike, you can contact them. I will leave the contact details in the description below. And I will be back soon with my first ride impressions of this bike. So stay tuned, guys.